guys, Shannon here. For today's Tile Chick quick tip, I'm going to show you how to plan your layout using a storyboard, story stick, or story pole, whatever you want to call it. So I just used a scrap piece of foam. It's lightweight, easy to transfer back and forth. So what I did was laid out my tiles, how I wanted to put them on the wall, and then I took some measurements. For example, these blue tiles with the spacer. So I know that the tile height is 2 15/16, and then for me to get the layout I want, I need an 1/8" spacer. So 2 15/16 plus an 1/8" spacer gives me 3 1/16. So I took this board and I marked out from the bottom 3 1/16, 3 16, 3 16 all the way up. So then I can take this into my shower and I'm going to put it on the wall and I can plan and see where the tiles are going to lay. Let's go see. Okay, so now I'm in my shower. I'm starting with the back wall here, and I know this bench is going to be a major focal point. So I don't want to end up with some ugly sliver on the top. So here's my storyboard. I put it to the floor, and I know that if I get a full tile at the bottom, I'm going to end up with this little sliver here going all the way across. I don't like that. So I'm going to move this up, and I'm going to say, okay, I want a full tile or almost a full tile because again, this is sloped. So I want the top of this bench to have as full of tile as possible. So I'll probably go from here, and then now I see my layout, and down here, I'll just take my measuring stick, measure from the bottom of this board to the floor, and then I'll split the difference that way, and I'll have a little bit less than half a tile at the bottom, instead of having a sliver at the top of this bench. Okay, so I know that I wanted to get a full tile or close to a full tile above this bench here. So I put my storyboard right where I wanted, took a pencil, made a mark, put the board away, and then I know I'll just take my measuring stick here, and I know that the last piece on the bottom is going to be about 2 inches wide. And then I will stick my ledger board up above this piece, level, and I'll start tiling from there, and I will cut in the bottom piece last so I can scribe tight to the shower pan. Okay guys, so that's it for today's Tile Chick quick tip. I hope this helps you out in some way. Please drop a comment below if you have any suggestions for any future tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.